Hi guys, and I am Kevin, and nandito ako ngayon para uh, ituro sa inyo or ipakita sa inyo yung easy way on how to solve ratio and proportion. Kasi pagdating sa exam, time consuming siya. So, kailangan natin labanan ang oras. Take note, mathematics ang isa sa nakakapang-ubos ng oras aside from other category. So, ratio and proportion. Ang ratio and proportion is madalas siyang kasama sa mga national exam. Like for example, civil service, college entrance exam, NAPOLCOM, and even in licensure examination for teacher, madalas yan nasasama. So, to start, ratio and proportion, pag sinabing ratio, inclined yan sa division. Pag sinabing proportion, ang lagi nyo tatandaan, equal. Dapat equal siya doon sa kabila. Left and right, dapat equal. So, ratio and proportion in a format of A is to B as C is to D. So, tandaan, ito dapat equally proportion siya dito. Ito, ganun din. So, cite tayo ng example. Yung example na to is very common pagdating sa mga reviewer nyo. So, 1 is to 2 as 3 is to blank. Yan. Very common siya, diba? So, isosolve natin siya in two ways. Yung traditional way at saka yung easy way. So, traditional way tayo. Pag sinabing is to, divide agad yan. Pag sinabing as, equal yan. So, is to divide. Blank, automatic, any variable yan. So, let x. So, 1 is to 2 as 3 is to x. So, cross multiplication, x equals 6. So, ibig sabihin pala, ang value ng x ay 6 pagdating sa traditional way. So, dito sa easy way, tatawagin natin siya titig method. Titigan lang natin. Okay, meron na 6. Paano nangyari yun? Ito, i-multiply lang natin dito. Ang sagot nilang dalawa, i-divide naman natin dito. Okay? So, 3 times 2, 6. Divide 1, 6. So, 6 pala ang sagot dito. 3 times 2 divide 1 is 6. So, 6 equal siya dito, diba? Cite tayo ng example para mas ma-prove natin kung tama ang titig method. $20 is to 50 as 40 is to blank. 20 is to 50 as 40 is to blank. Okay. Traditional way. 20 over 50 equals 40 over x. So cross multiply 20x equals 5 times 4, 20. Dagdagan ng dalawang 0. Divide both side by 20. X tanggal 100 siya pagdating sa traditional way. What if titig method? Titig method. Titig method, pagmastin ito at saka ito. Ano ratio nila? 2. 40 divide 20 is 2. So, ibig sabihin pala, si 50, ita times natin siya sa 2. So, 100 equal sa dito. O, diba? Tinitigan natin. Or pwede rin naman 40 times 50, which is 2,000, divide 20. It's 100. So the same, diba? Gets? Okay. Haluan naman natin ng fraction. One half is to 3/4 as 7/5 is to sabi 1/2 is to 3/4 as 7/5 is to blank. So tignan natin ang easy way, ang traditional way. 1/2 is to 3/4 as 7/5 is to x. So dito pa lang simplify na natin dapat. Ito, ayan, 1, 2. 1 over 1, 1. 1 over 3 halves equals 7 over 5 over x. So cross multiplication. So x is equals 7/5 times 3 halves. X equals 21/10. Yan. 21/10 or 2/110. Yan. Solve naman natin siya using tipid method. Tipid method. 21. Tipid method, ito, i-multiply dito, i-divide dito. Multiply 21/20 divide 1/2 simplify 2 and 20. So ito magiging 10, ito magiging 1. So 1/1 is 1, 21/10 is 21/10 equal so ibig sabihin yung tipid method natin is applicable para hindi na tayo maggamit-gamit na ng variable kasi time consuming siya. Okay, what if percent? Pagdating sa first percent, ganun pa rin. So example, 20% is 2, 30% as 40% is 2. And 20% is to 30% as 40% is to blank. Traditional way or diretso na agad tayo sa tipid method para may sagot na agad tayo. Tipid method, ito at saka ito may common ratio na 2. So ibig sabihin pala ito i-multiply natin siya 30. Ibig sabihin pala ang nandito ay 60%. Okay, gets. Kung may tanong, PM nyo lang ako. Or join kayo sa FB group. Join at FB group. Name prepare your map for civil service examination. Yan. Thank you for watching. See you at second video. Bye.